Okay, welcome to my car mods video. Let's get in here. So we got the Ford Focus, titanium, got the Ford Performance exhaust, the full catback exhaust runs all the way. We got the rear window wiper taken off for that flush look. We got new decals on here from TFB Designs. Got new yellow lights in the back. On the sides here, we got some TFB designs, some American flags, one on each side of the car. Got some new lug nuts, more decals, yellow. Painted these calipers myself with some paint from Amazon. They've been holding up really good. Move to the front of the car, we got Ford Performance banner with sunshade. Comes down pretty far off the windshield. We got some upgraded headlights and fog lights. Got some yellows, some blues on the headlights. Let's get in the car. Check it out. Let's show you the intake. Intake's the FX Works cold air. Works pretty good with the exhaust. Let's get some sounds going. The exhaust is pretty loud. It's not that loud when you're on the freeway. See if we can get some intake noises going on in here. Stand by for some intake noise. I just turned on the headlights, fog lights. And then under the hood we got some new horns installed. I got two 12-inch horns. I can't light them off right now because it's the morning, but they're super loud. Pretty sweet. So inside the car here we got some decals on the top. And then on this one we got some decals. And everything inside here is pretty stock. Keep it nice and clean in here. Yeah. I think I got everything. Got the exhaust, intake, calipers, decals. Just tastefully done. Tastefully done. The car off before the cops called on us. Yeah, these are my mods that I've done so far, and it's been working out pretty good. Pretty sweet car. I get 30 miles a gallon with the mods, and I was getting like 33 without. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Alright, thanks for checking it out. Leave some comments in the comments if you want to.